Welcome to the Tags training module. This training covers how to use the Tags module, which is where you create all your tags that can be used with any of the elements of the site. The topics we're going to cover: adding and editing tags, assigning tags, and then some examples of using the tags. Once you're logged into the back end, on the main menu there's one called Tags. So if we select that, it'll list all the tags that you've created. So we're going to add a new tag, and we'll call that training, and we'll add description. Now the name is what you see in the back end, and the display name is what's seen on the front end for the customers or the public. Okay, so that means if you want to have two tags called training, when it's displayed you would call them something unique, training for something else, so that they're unique when you're assigning the tags. Okay, if you want, you can also set a parent tag, so annual reports, building reports will be a parent. The parent would be reports if you wanted to do it like that. Okay, and then you've got the option of the different things that you can assign to these tags. Okay, so let's assign our training pages, since we've created a tag called training. Okay, so now these two pages in our website are assigned to that tag. Okay, you can do the same with files that you've uploaded, forms that you've put on, or any of the list elements as well. So we'll create that one. We'll go back and we'll create a new one called agendas. Put in the dummy description again, and we won't assign anything here at the moment. I'll show you another way where you can assign them as well. Okay, so we've now created two new tags. Okay, so now when we're using the site and we upload a new document, okay, so we'll upload a new document. Okay, and we're going to pretend that this is for an agenda for a meeting in February. So you can see now the tag you've created is there, where you can just go tick, this is an agenda. Okay, and then you would publish that. Okay, so just so that I can show you how this works, we're also going to pretend that it's an annual report, so we'll save that. If we go look at one of the pages we've got set up, you can see now, just because I tagged it, it's appeared there straight away in the layout that it needs to be. Okay, and simply come in, take it off that tag, and your page is changed straight away. So really easy. Once you've got all your tags set up, you can just add documents, tick them to whatever, and they will show wherever they need to show in the website, in the style that they need to. Another good one is with lists. So if we looked at this list here, okay, we can set this up to use a tag for creating that as well. So if we go have a look at that, so here we can update that list. And under advanced, we can set it to page tags, and in here we can say training. Okay, so what that's going to do is, instead of using the list that it is now, we're going to say give me all the pages that have got the training tag. So we'll publish that, and now refresh the page. You'll see that it's created the two links to the two pages that we set up. So if we went and tagged another page. So if we say we want banners to be on there as well, where you can do it is this related links. So in here you can relate it to a tag, training. Save and publish. And now that same page is now on there as well. So you can create lists and menus really easily. So if you had a lot of pages all over your site that you wanted to have a quick way to be able to link to them all, you can just create a tag, then tag all the pages, and it will create this nice list link for you. So tags become very powerful to do things quickly just by ticking and assigning those tags. Okay, so the two locations for pages, you go to add related links. Okay, for files you can do it in there, or you can do everything from tags. So if we looked at that training one, you'll see now that banners is in there. We could remove it. Okay, and that will be gone. And if we went to the agendas tag, we could also then take out that document from there as well. Okay, so again, up to you how you use it. You can do it always from the tags, or you can do it from the actual elements or the pages that you want to do it from as well. That's the end of this training video. If you still have any questions, please email support@webshed.co.nz.